Hi, it's Mrs. Golding. I am in 7-4 of your packet number 2, which is page 554 in your textbook, and this is question number 5. This is we're going to write another multiplication equation, and this time it says the total, that's an important word, total time to burn a CD is 18 minutes, okay, 18 minutes. Last weekend, Dimitri spent 90 minutes burning CDs. Write and solve a multiplication equation to find the number of CDs Dimitri burned last weekend. Explain how you can check your solution. Okay, so we need to have a multiplication equation. So we need an equal sign, we need a variable, and we need some numbers, right? So what was my total time that Dimitri spent last weekend? That was 90, right? 90 minutes. All right. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use an equal sign and 90. Okay. What would be equal to 90, right? It would be 18 minutes times however many CDs Dimitri was able to burn, right? If he was able to burn one, it'd be 18 times 1, which would be 18. That's not true, right? If he burned 2 CDs, it'd be 18 times 2, which would be 36, not 90. Okay, so this is going to be our variable, and this time I'm going to use x. So I'm going to say, let x represent the number of CDs that Dimitri burned. Now we're going to solve this equation. And we can use our inverse operations to solve here if we divide both sides by 18, okay? Now we know 18 divided by 18 is 1, and 1 times x is itself, right? So x is equal to whatever 90 divided by 18 is. I'm going to tell you that it does come out evenly. So if that's the case, let's try to figure this out. 18 is really close to 20, right? And if I count by 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, right? And that would be multiplying times 5. So 90, 100, pretty close, right? So we could try 18 times 5. And this is how we're actually going to check to see if we're right, because we're saying 5. We're saying Dimitri burned 5 CDs. 8 times 5 is 40. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So my answer of 5, which is going to go right here, is correct. And over here, this is me checking my answer, right? Because this is explain how you can check your solution. So we're plugging it back in to see if it's right. So the answer is 5. And let's not leave it naked. You know, numbers never like to be naked. So 5 CDs. Okay. All right. Hope that helped you.